have you picked?
Sandworm. Red and fruit stop. There's camelot, mandarin, grapefruit.
Yum.
Mandarin.
We're in Metkovic in the south of Croatia, just at the Bosnia and Herzegovina border, and we just bought some yummy treats that this area is famous for.
Yum. I'm making a salad dressing using oil as a gift from the Istria. Lemons we bought today, and honey we bought today, and Finn wants to help. What you doing?
The other way. I'm doing the lemon.
Nice.
It's taste test time. It's taste test time. We're trying honey with our eyes closed to see what it is.
We're gonna start with that one. Smell it. Smell it.
I'm guessing sage.
Open your mouth.
Guessing sage.
Put more in. You are correct. You can take your nose in your eyes.
I could definitely smell the sage and taste the sage.
Next, we are going to feed them honey made with this. Smell, oops, and
Guessing lemon. Lemon?
nope.
Strawberry.
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Valley is absolutely amazing. It is the citrus growing region of Croatia, and it's really beautiful. Look at that. So we are headed from the northern section of Croatia, which includes Split and other towns above that, and we are heading to Dubrovnik. Now, in order to do that, you've got two options. You can take a ferry from Ploče across to a peninsula that I cannot pronounce, or you can take the road and you can drive through Bosnia and Herzegovina. So we are going to go through Bosnia and Herzegovina. Supposedly it's a 15 minutes through the next country. We will let you know how it goes.
The bridge is being built. It's built so that you can come from this part of Croatia over top of Bosnia and Herzegovina into the other part of Croatia without having to go with the ferry or driving through Bosnia and Herzegovina. And then we're going to be in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Alright, that was super easy. Where have we just left?
Bosnia and Herzegovina, we're back to Croatia now.
Only the passports were looked at. No COVID stuff looked at. No car registration stuff looked at. Easy border crossing for anyone needing to go that way. 15 minutes.
We're heading to Dubrovnik.
Pirate ship on Dubrovnik. What have you found?
Fake grass so we can go on with socks.
Where are we going to, Finn?
the old town in a bus. Today we're exploring the old town of Dubrovnik. We found a fast cannon. We're going to put a drawbridge up and the castle will be out.
How does the drawbridge work?
Can I try, please? So you would twist this and that would spin this. This would have rope and it would go up and then the drawbridge would shut. Kuna is the word for Croatian currency and for a little fluffy animal. Before they had money, they traded kuna for things they needed, and when they got money, they just kept the name. and it spits out down here. Let's see if I here if I can get some on my hand. Water. It's a cannon.
Let's see what's through the country. Not sure you're doing that right.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.